Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm Serge, and who don't know me, I am bonsai and plant lover. So in the past couple years I got a lot of plants gathered to my home. A lot of them I give away and some of them I left. So today I was find this amazing tomato outside. Somebody left in the lobby in the apartment, so I did pretty much did that before with all my different plants, and today somebody did. They probably be honest, they have not really good smell in there, so I don't know, I think that's too much maybe natural compost, so they smell shit, be honest. So yeah, so that's what we have with this tomato, and I want to put it right there where it's my pretty catty chilling. He my also bonsai lover and plant lover. So I want to put it in that pot right there. So I have it right here. I think that's chili peppers or something like that, and I want to put a tomato right there, and maybe they can grow on this thing. So that's what I will be do today. I think I have a I have my soil outside, but I don't need any soil, be honestly. I have a full soil in there, and that's like also some kind of bonsai soil. I don't know if that's be okay for tomato, but we'll see how they be growing. You will see tomato in bonsai soil. So maybe we can do bonsai tomato. Oh guys, let's go try to do bonsai tomato. You know, that'd be a cool idea. I don't know if they can survive in the next year. I think they not grow to the next year, but it'd be so cool to grow 1 year tomato and never grow like pretty much myself. But that's not myself, somebody did that. But I got also seeds of I think that's cantaloupe. I don't forget this word, sort of. So whatever. So this one I be put it myself maybe one day, and they be grow all over. But what I did, I put it. I'm think that's spinach. So I put it grow this spinach myself. Look at it grow big one already. Right here some small rosemary grow myself. I put it the seeds myself. That's in my Yamadori already, show you that before. And look at this wonderful bonsai. This was like a big store bonsai, but these things I did myself. All the cracks, you know, use the juice seal to make that look woody. Wire these some branches. This was also like the gel seal to make the wood white and look old. And my money trees, guys, looks grow big. So let's go do this one really quick, for we already spent 5 time and just talking. So let's go start do that. So first of all, I have to be remove all my plants from here, guys. I have not much of them here, but still I have some of them. Okay. Feel a little bit shocked what's going on. He's like, what's going on here? So let's go remove this one here, and we can move ourselves